Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 277 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. That is done under Section 17 of the Reserve Bank Act. Certain other activities are to be undertaken now, and it has been decided to amend the Act accordingly. In the present amending bill, we want to widen the scope of seasonal agricultural operations. Then, we are providing here for loans for cottage and small scale industries. So long, the Reserve Bank was not advancing any money for small scale or cottage industries. The House will recollect that for some time now, particularly in view of the developing problem of unemployment, government have decided to give more emphasis to cottage and small scale industries. So, the Reserve Bank would now be in a position to provide funds for this sort of industry also, and that is to be done through the state cooperative banks and also state finance corporations. Very recently, in this house, a question was asked about the activities and formation of state finance corporations. About 2 years ago, an act was passed by the House enabling the different state governments to set up state finance corporations, but as yet not much progress has been made in this matter by the different states. I hope that under this provision, the state finance corporations would be in a position to get loans from the Reserve Bank. It will give a fresh impetus to the different state governments towards the formation of state finance corporations. In this bill, we are also trying to provide intermediate loans through state cooperative banks from 15 months to 5 years. So long, it was only a short term loan that was provided by the Reserve Bank for seasonal agricultural operations, and loans could be advanced only for 3 months. But now we are providing in this bill that medium term loans also may be given by the Reserve Bank through the state cooperative banks, and the period of such advances would vary from 15 months to 5 years. The limit up to which the Reserve Bank could advance to state cooperative banks is rupees 5 crores. Then there is another provision by which the Reserve Bank could advance loans to the Industrial Finance Corporation. Some time ago, this House passed an amendment to the Industrial Finance Corporation Act, which in Section 20 provided that the corporation would be entitled to get loans from the Reserve Bank. That was only so far as the responsibility of the Industrial Finance Corporation was concerned. But there was no corresponding provision in the Reserve Bank of India Act authorizing the bank to advance loans to the Industrial Finance Corporation, though for some time it was advancing some money to the corporation.